A quick highlight, HIK Connect app. So whatever you'll get from this will give you HIK Connect powers. So from your phone, you can receive the intercom calls, you can receive any triggers straight from your home. Whether you're home or not, you can unlock for someone who is at the gate, right? So I introduced this quick HIKVISION IP video intercom kit and explain it briefly. So this intercom kit, actually I'll just read out the model so that you can ask our national distributors to provide. So it is KIS 608-P. It has one screen, it comes with one outdoor station, one power supply, and one SD card. You need this. Let's see what you'll get when you go for it. So I'll just open. Okay, once I open the box, this is the screen. This is how it looks like. Sleek, right? Very small, very convenient, 7-inch screen. You just plug in your LAN. You can also connect to other accessories in your house like motion sensors, vibration sensors to this so that you can also get the alarms on your phone. Okay, that aside, outside on the gate, you can put this. So this is an outdoor station. Of course, again, you plug into the switch, plug into the alarm system, things like the virtual fence, the virtual beam, the virtual tripwire. You connect that. You connect to a lock, an electromagnetic lock. If you've not seen how it looks like, you can check my other videos. Okay. Then in the same package, we get the accessories, of course, the mounting bracket for the screen, the power adapters for your video intercom, of course, a quick start guide, a mounting bracket for your outdoor station. Yeah, right. So now you have video intercom. Let me just quickly put this aside, this kit aside. Let me put this back here. Let me explain something. So you have more than one room. You see the kit comes with one screen. You can get this type of screens. So I'll just show you variety. These are just another variety. Almost same, but different color and appearance. Why? Because different houses have different backgrounds. You want it to match their interior, right? So if you're doing the intercom kit, make sure that you pick the color that matches. Some have a white shade, we have the black shade. So we'll provide that for you and customize it for you. Then there's also this other type of screen. So you can add many screens based on the number of rooms. If you have 2 entrances or 2 main doors, you can also do 2 outdoor stations and then have your video intercom set complete. It will have the call button, and by default, anyone with a card, I had a card here. Yeah, if you have this card, there is also this key ring. The key ring looks like this, so you can use it to open every time you get to the gate. Have you seen our sliding gate? This can also connect to that sliding gate. So we provide you an end-to-end solution from HIKVISION, starting from the video intercom itself, the power supply and accessories, and the main equipment. If you need more information on this, on how to set up, how to configure this, we are going to do it in a different video. Just leave it in the comment and I'll be able to provide support on the same. Thank you.